Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to find private groups on Telegram. Okay, pay attention, I have two ways for this. The first way, okay, this is too easy. You can get in your app, any app about Telegram groups, Google Play or the App Store, doesn't matter. Okay, and you have a search bar. In these search bars you can write example gaming, okay, education, movies, books, doesn't matter. Okay, meet people, or the other option is use a website just like that. Okay, this website or this website or example this website, and this website works the same like a app. Okay, you have a search bar, write that word that do you want to find, and select your group that you joined it. Okay, that do you join them. Okay, this is too easy. Okay, I use this in my mobile. I prefer the second way because I use Safari or Google Chrome and then open Telegram and find that group. It's too easy and quickly. This is all for this video. This website or the website or app never asks you about your personal information. Okay, and have a good day. See you later.